This club lounge supplies beer 24/7 daily. Unbox Hotel Sheraton Taoyuan. Club Lounge Happy Hour Report. Outstanding swimming facilities. How's the all-day buffet at U Kitchen?
Hi, I'm TriPapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to TriPapa's channel and welcome to Taiwan. After a long flight, stay at the airport hotel is a smart choice if you arrive late or depart early in the next morning. Today I'm going to unbox a 4-star hotel, Sheraton Taoyuan, which is under the Marriott Group. It only takes 10 minutes via a free shuttle from the airport. I decided to book the club room with lounge access for afternoon tea and happy hours, plus eating buffet all day this time. Before we dive into all the details, as always, let me tell you how I got back to Taiwan. Previously, Trimama and I flew back to Taiwan from Tokyo Narita Airport. We visited the China Airlines operated lounge with great food offerings on board their flagship aircraft A350-900. We were alone with no other business class passengers. For the full flight report, check the link below. On arriving, after the double doors, the interior design shows the premium hotel vibe and the personal collections from the owner. I'm convinced this is a high-class hotel. For transit visitors, a business center is essential, but it's not free for everyone. Since we arrived too early during lunchtime, let's start our first lunch buffet at U Kitchen, where they serve international cuisines. The lunch price is 1,080 Taiwan dollars plus a 10% service charge per person. Let's check it out. Raw fish, sashimi, and sushi are definitely the highlights. Some made-to-order stations attract my attention, like the beef soup with Wagyu beef. On the other side, there are some spicy choices. Don't miss the noodle station as well. There are a lot of cold appetizers. And my favorite here, all-you-can-eat steak with tons of hot dishes. Too much meat? No worries, here is the vegan zone to balance it a bit. Wait, don't leave now. There is a dessert bar here with free-flowing ice creams. Also good choices of hot and cold beverages. Overall, the main dishes had great tastes, especially the sashimi and steak. However, the only negative part was the desserts, which were just presented well, or had the ice cream only will be fine. Personally, I recommend enjoying a decent buffet here at U Kitchen. Since our room is still not ready, we've been invited to take a look at the newly renovated suite room that we can consider staying in next time. Why not explore together? The suite room is 1015 on the 10th floor. quite spacious with an open space for dining and living areas. You can invite friends to have a small party or have a meeting with clients. It also has a visitor toilet, pretty decent. And in the main bedroom, there's a large king bed with a working desk behind. The highlight of this room is probably the super large bathtub, and the amenities are from Gilchrist and Soames, which smell calm, and I love them very much. Alright, our room is finally ready. Let's head to the 9th floor, which is also the club lounge floor. Later, we will check the lounge offerings.
Alright, so I got the room key, so let's go. 903. Come on in. Wow, so this is the executive king-size bedroom. Firstly, let's take to the view. Wow, because this hotel is quite near the airport, Taoyuan airport, so it's not in the city. However, we can see the lake over there and also kind of the greenery. Alright, some factories over there, so the view is fine.
Oh, on the other side, I can spot windmills and also the ocean. Not bad to have an ocean view from the room.
And in the living area, there's a lounge chair right here. Oh, quite comfortable with welcome snacks. This is something local with a peanut. And there's no working desk, but they got a round table with a chair over here. So if you want to have some kind of in-room dining or some introduction, you can find it in here with the desk light. Alright, looks good, Panasonic. And for the bedding, so basically they got a universal power socket, is quite important right here. Oh, nothing inside the drawer. Alright, and they got a huge Panasonic TV right here. In terms of the size, it's actually quite nice. And something very special here is regarding their toilet. Alright, so there is kind of an open toilet, and the mirror is right here. It's a double size. Sink and the amenities. So they supply 4 amenities like a dental kit, the razor, and all the essentials. And the most interesting part is you can see the toilet right there. So if I need to use the toilet, it's kind of exposed. But actually I can close the door like this. Did you see that? Very interesting, right? With this door, but you need to be very careful if you stay with kids, because it's probably a little bit hurt. Okay, let's take a look at the shower facilities. So they got a rain shower, they got a hand shower. Amenities are using this brand,
Gilchrist and Soames.
and the best tub right here, even with the best salt. Kind of premium. Regarding the mini bar, let's see what's inside. It's the most exciting part. Well, this is not a mini bar, it's kind of a place for glasses and also cups. Alright, nothing here. And the water boiler. Here should be the refrigerators. Whoa! Pepsi and 7-Up. I guess this is for free. Alright, so on the table they got an espresso machine and also a couple of capsules. Kind of a standard with the waters. And the last part is regarding the wardrobe. Okay, in the wardrobe they got many hangers. I'm not sure how many days I can stay here. And also the best ropes. Got iron and iron ball and flash. Quite nice. This is the hair dryer with Panasonic model. Should be good. Kind of a shoes brush, slippers, safe, and for the laundry and sewing kit. It's quite essential for the traveling. Alright, so that's all for this room. It's not very big, but the most important one is they got a lunch access. So let's check out how about the happy hour and afternoon tea. Let's go!
Here we can see the club lounge area with an indoor view. Let's go and see how's the afternoon tea. This lounge is very special. It opens 24/7 daily. Main sections are afternoon tea from 2 to 4 p.m. and happy hour from 5 to 8 p.m. The rest of the time, slots got self-service snacks and drinks. We should enter the lounge with the room key. Upon entering, we can easily find the buffet area directly. During afternoon tea time, these are everything you get. No surprise. Only 4 little cakes, that's all. The others are regularly supplied in the lounge during opening hours. However, the very special part is that the beer is served all day. Quite a unique feature of club lounges, so it kind of balances out the lack of good afternoon tea offerings. Regular coffee and tea are available. And the view is actually great, with this side reserved with windows and full of natural light. Let's walk further inside. Some more snacks can be found. Alright, let's walk around the hotel and see what the facilities are. This glass church is very popular for weddings with pleasant natural light and comfortable air conditioning. It's time to take a look at the fitness center and swimming pool. Actually, this Sheraton is not only aiming for transit passengers, but also families with kids locally. So a good swimming pool is very important. Wow! The heated indoor pools with spa, sauna, and swimming features. Don't forget to bring your swimsuit here. However, the gym is kind of standard compared to the pool. There's a yoga room and some family table games can be found. Since we had too much food for lunch, some exercise is required and we will have good rooms for happy hour this evening. I believe we won't feel guilty to eat more now. Before we head to the lounge, there's a self-service area just next to the gym. Interesting with some coin-based games. And a pool table. It's kind of a social area if you will do the self-laundry next door. Okay, let's go to the lounge for happy hour. It's nearly 7 p.m. and the buffet looks quite well stocked and feels like a mini version of U Kitchen. Beer and soft drinks are still there in this fridge. This small bar only opens during happy hour time. Don't miss the chance to chill a bit. Hot dishes with rice pork sauce can definitely make you full. With some more choices, well, we still prefer to have a proper dinner. Eventually, we visited U Kitchen again for a big meal instead of lounge food today. Is there any difference with lunch? Free-flowing Taiwan beer, only at night. More people dine in at night time, and it seems the seafood has a bit more options. Good to know that the hot dishes will change the menu. Probably 50% are different. so you won't get bored if you come twice in a day. By the way, at dinner time, we will have half a lobster, but the taste wasn't great. If compared to the buffet lunch at the same price, it's definitely worth coming here during dinner time. And the ice cream tastes way better than those beautifully presented desserts. Alright, I'm so full, and it's good for me to fall asleep. See you tomorrow, my friends. Good morning, Sheraton Taoyuan. I slept so well last night. The bedding is extremely comfortable. It's a great place to have an amazing rest for your connecting journey or family staycation. Before I unbox the final part of this video, the breakfast buffet, I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. The club lounge here doesn't provide breakfast, but we've been invited to U Kitchen again for the full breakfast buffet. This is the third time we had a buffet at U Kitchen during this one-night stay. Firstly, the scale is smaller than lunch and dinner since there are no desserts and ice cream, which makes good sense in the morning. Regular drinks like juices, coffee and tea are available. Good selections of cold salads with smoked salmon, cold hams, and pastries are essential. The highlight here is the hot dishes, so many Taiwanese local and international choices. And of course, Egg Station is a must-have facility. If it's still not enough, the noodle bar is open in the morning. Overall, Sheraton Taoyuan does a good job providing super comfortable bedding, great swimming facilities, and an outstanding breakfast buffet for transit or family visit purposes. The dinner buffet provides better options compared to their lunch offerings. The club lounge is a nice feature if you have free access. Finally, I was planning to explore the kids' club after breakfast. Unfortunately, they have different open hours on weekdays and weekends. Worth to check first before you book your staycation. Alright, that's all for the report today. Stay with me, I will have more interesting report to come. In my next video, we visited the newly opened Starluck First Class Lounge at Taipei Airport. Enjoy amazing table services and a made-to-order Wagyu beef burger. Compare their A350-900 First Class seat 1K and Business Class 2K in one go. What are the onboard services you can't miss?
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.